to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we're basically going to be doing a Sunday reset routine, and I feel like this was so needed. I literally look like a saint. I'm gonna run some errands. I need to get my car washed, I need to go shopping, I need to get some bits and bobs. So it's gonna be a jam-packed day, but it's gonna be a productive way to spend my Sunday, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Also, I love a productive Sunday because I feel like it just resets you for the whole week ahead. It's currently 8:19 in the morning. I have a very busy day. I've actually made a list already of everything I need to get done today. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in. So basically we're gonna check everything off today. We're gonna have a productive Sunday, and then later on I also want to do some self-care stuff. So I want to put a hair mask in, I want to, you know, relax, unwind a little bit, and just basically have a little catch up with you guys before the end of the day. So it's going to be a very busy day, like I said, but I'm looking forward to it. And to be honest, I had a really good sleep last night because I was up till like 11 PM doing cake orders, and then I just knocked out. So I actually feel really re-energized now. So morning skincare, I'm just going to go in with obviously my Citra. You guys know this is a staple part of my routine. I don't use any other moisturizer because I feel like nothing really works for my skin like Citra does. So I'm just going to go in now with this. Just going in now with my caffeine eye cream by Inkylist, and honestly this is a game changer to routine. I heard so many good things about Inkylist like back in December time, I think, like last year, and I can really see why their products are being raved about because they're actually really good. I'm also just going to curl my lashes just to make me look like I'm a bit more put together. Okay, morning skincare is done. Honestly, my skin has been doing really well, touch wood, and yeah, I just feel like it is the perfect way to start my Sunday. I love to do my slow morning routine first and then get all my errands out after. So we're gonna go have some breakfast now. I'm gonna go chill a little bit. I'm also gonna take some pictures of my cake orders, which I'll probably insert here somewhere, and yeah, and then we'll get into sort of doing some errands, doing some cleaning, and starting my Sunday reset routine. Hi guys, it's a little bit later on now in the day. It's like about 10 o'clock and I've literally just had breakfast. I had my chai latte. I had such a busy evening yesterday baking orders and stuff, so I'll show you guys quickly. I'll probably insert them here actually, like pictures of the cakes that I made, because they honestly turned out so well, but it does sort of take it out of you sometimes when you're trying to have a productive weekend and like you just get so tired, but it's really worth it to see like the customers' reactions and stuff. But for now it is just basically cracking on with the housework, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I thought I'll give you guys a little update on how it's going, because honestly I've just been on the go this last hour. I've managed to basically sort out my whole desk area so it looks all nice and neat and organised. I've literally just finished cleaning up my vanity area as well, so I haven't done too badly for my steps. I'm like on 3,500, so that's really good considering I've just been at home and doing errands around the house. My goal is actually 10k every day, so I'm gonna definitely get there by the end of the day, but yeah, so far so good. As you would have seen in the previous clips, I was hoovering. I've washed my car as well because I was tempted to go and get it washed, but actually I could do it myself. So starting in this corner, we have my desk area. As you can see, it's all nicely organised. I'm absolutely obsessed, and there's nothing like a clean table, fresh for Monday morning. So really happy with how that turned out. And guys, because I have white surfaces literally everywhere in my room, you can see it's pretty much all white. So the dust literally collects so easily. But yeah, overall really happy, and yeah, it's just given me a new sense of life. I feel like I have this massive weight off my shoulders, and now I can finally enjoy the rest of my day. I'm finally back home, and I thought I'd show you guys what I managed to pick up whilst I was shopping. There were actually some really cute bits, but to be honest, I just got a lot of essential stuff, so let's get into it. I feel like Primark is doing bits at the moment, especially with their sort of spring transitional pieces. I found this really cute bag, and it was literally only £10, which I think is absolutely incredible. And I just feel like she's such a staple, particularly like in the summer, spring, like she just goes with so many things, so I was really happy with this. Not that I needed another jacket, because you guys already know I have literally so many jackets. It's getting a bit silly now, but I found this one and it was literally for £16 and I just couldn't resist. It's like this long trench coat style, but it's very thin material. And then in terms of like their beauty section, I actually picked up some face masks just because I feel like you can never go wrong with a face mask, and they're really good ones in Primark if you haven't tried them already. They had this new one which I'm really interested to try. It's the caffeine gel eye patch, and it's meant to apparently depuff your eyes. And then I just got some of these because I love these before doing your makeup. I feel like, but especially if you're going out or like it's a special event, I feel like doing this to sort of prep your base is honestly chef's kiss. You would have seen on my TikTok I actually mentioned these ones. These are the Prep and Perfect eye patches, and again, like the price, you really can't go wrong. These are £1.50. The masks are actually £1, and I think it's amazing. I also feel like these are really good when you're traveling, which I am actually doing very soon, so I feel like this is the perfect little addition in my hand luggage, you know, on the flight. And yeah, it just basically means I'm all prepped and ready to go. And then really randomly, I went into New Look because I was actually on the hunt for some cute shoes, but I managed to find this really cute jacket, which I know is, again, another jacket, but I couldn't resist because it's just so cute. It's just like, I don't even know what colour you'd call this, sort of like a stone grey. But how cute is she? And this was actually in the sale for £22, which I think is an absolute bargain. And I just thought it's, again, a perfect layering piece for springtime. It's not too thick, so you can wear it over things and not get too hot. I also don't own a lot of like neutral tone jackets. For some reason, all my jackets are black or like a dark colour. So I feel like this was such a necessity as part of my wardrobe. And I also kind of like how it has collars. I think it looks very preppy and cute. Also went a little bit crazy with the makeup products. I went into Boots to basically get the NYX lip stain thing, but they didn't actually have the right shade, so I ended up going for another product which I've had my eye on, which is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Stone. And apparently this looks absolutely amazing with the cork lip liner, which is my holy grail when it comes to my lip combination. This gloss honestly looks 10 out of 10. I might even do an updated review on my TikTok, so if you haven't done so already, go and check out my TikTok because I usually do reviews of makeup products. Anything new that I purchase, I like to show you guys over there. Maybelline have also just released these Super Stay Teddy Tint lip stains, and honestly they're amazing. Like guys, I still have like the marks from earlier because they honestly do what they say on the tin. This is in the shade Current Mood, which I think from what I remember it was like more of a pinky corally colour. And then guys, really random, but Rimmel London, they do so many nice shades. I didn't even know they did like nice lipsticks like that. This is in the shade, if I'm correct, Sassy. This is the shade Sassy, and you also have Peachy and Honey Bun. So I know they all look very similar, but guys, trust me, the swatches were just 10 out of 10, and I'm a sucker for a nude combination, so that was a very successful shop. Also very randomly, I got these fingerless gloves because basically I feel like it's still cold yet, like even in this country it's still cold, so I feel like these are perfect when you're going for walks, because especially me, I like to reach for my phone a lot, so this just basically avoids my hands getting cold. And these are basically £3.50 from New Look, and yeah, you just can't go wrong. You have a black pair as well as a neutral pair, so that was basically it. But yeah, a very successful shopping trip. I didn't necessarily get the things I wanted to get that were on my list, so I wanted to get some cute UGG shoes and I also wanted that NYX lip stain thing, but not to worry because I did find some cute things instead. Another thing that really made me feel happy was the fact that I reached over 10,000 steps today, and if you guys know, that is one of my like continuous goals for this year, is to reach my daily steps. So that's basically my productivity done for the day in terms of moving my body, reaching my fitness goals and sticking to the plan. It is now 7 o'clock, so I'm actually going to put my hair mask in, watch my favourite YouTubers, just chill, unwind a little bit. It's now dark outside because since I last spoke to you guys, so it's basically time to unwind and have a nice self-care Sunday in. So let's put a hair mask in, let it do its thing, and yeah, I will speak to you guys in a bit. So guys, I've just got out of the shower and honestly I feel amazing. Like that hair wash was just so needed. My hair is all curly again. I'm going to go in now with the Prep and Perfect Hydrating Mask by Primark, and honestly this is just going to sum up a self-care Sunday. I've been watching this program called Anatomy of a Scandal and it is so good. It's on Netflix. I've literally just started it yesterday, so I'm on episode 1 still, and it just is so good. Like if you guys like drama or like psychology or psychological thriller. I literally look so scary right now guys, but I'm literally gonna let this marinate and do its thing. I can't even talk to you guys that much, so I will catch up with you guys once I head to bed. So that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday vlog and just watching me prepare for a new week and how I like to reset, recharge. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and watching me prepare for a new week ahead, I share so much content in regards to routines, productivity, self-love, self-growth all over my TikTok as well as my Instagram. But for now, I will see you guys next week for a brand new video, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead, a productive week where you basically smash your goals and become the best you. I'll see you guys then. Bye!